Founded in Japan in 1937, the Arai helmet philosophy has always been the same: to protect the rider. Handcrafted with great care and precision, every Arai helmet goes through the same build process and quality controls, so that there are no differences, no defects, and no better or worse. All helmets that leave the Arai factory are the same, which is the absolute best that they can be and built to protect. Once the shell has passed all necessary tests and evaluations, additional features can then be added, like all of the innovations that have gone into the new Arai Quantic. The new Arai Quantic is a sport touring helmet that increases comfort without sacrificing protection. It features a new and improved airflow system throughout the helmet, increasing ventilation and helping to keep the rider cool even on the hottest days. A new spoiler has been added to the rear, which improves aerodynamic performance and head stability at high speeds. The interior has been redesigned to offer greater comfort, as well as ease of installation and removal, and working with the new airflow system offers riders even greater comfort, even on the hottest days in the saddle. Data collected by racers and developments in materials have meant that there have been some changes in style and design over the years, but the core values have never wavered. An Arai helmet is designed to protect your head before anything else. To do this, Arai strongly believes in a strong round shell, and with it the glancing off principle, which diverts as much impact energy away from the head as possible, which in turn lowers the force on the helmet of all impacts and crashes. Simply put, glancing off is the ability to skip or slide over an obstacle to avoid the transfer of energy into the helmet. Therefore, the base shape of the Quantic is round and smooth, and the shell is strong. Additionally, this is the first helmet for Arai which meets ECE R2206 and Arai's internal criteria. To prove its strength, Arai requires an anti-penetration test and a hemi-anvil drop test, which we call Arai criteria. To further maximize glancing off while passing ECE R2206, Arai uses a special multi-density foam shock absorbing liner that is fine-tuned for each size. Performance levels of these tuned liners were achieved through a careful process of trial and error, allowing the use of softer density foams made possible with the use of new tooling created specifically for the Quantic model. The strong Arai shell is carefully crafted by skilled technicians, one by one using fiberglass as well as many other proprietary materials, shaped and positioned in exactly the right places. The essential parts of the helmet are also reinforced with a specially woven super fiber belt, developed and produced in-house. But it doesn't matter who you are, what bike you ride, or even your journey. What matters is if you ride a motorcycle, you need to wear a helmet, and no one takes protecting your head more seriously than Arai.